are some action items and are some questions. Should you meet with us? Could be another advisor, but should you meet with us or an expert on this? Well, I think some questions asked. Do you have an up-to-date estate plan? Has it been more than 3 or 4 years since you last reviewed it? Do you even know what type of trust structure you have? Do you own a home or rental property in California? Do you want to leave it for future generations? We have to then think about Prop 19 planning. You at least should understand what the numbers will be. And is your estate approaching 5 million if you're single, or 10 million as a couple? I know these are big numbers, but your estate's almost certainly bigger than you think, because then you need to be worried about estate taxes, and we should get planning started. And do you want to protect assets for future generations or for a special needs child? Or child with special needs? We can help with that as well. And it all needs to be integrated. And just some action items for you. How important is it to you to preserve your assets and your legacy? Are there charitable goals that you have? Review your assets, and I encourage you to talk to your kids and even your grandkids about this. You don't have to reveal specific numbers. There's so much we can accomplish when we all work together across generations. I know it's not possible for every family, and there's sensitivities in different families, but I encourage you to speak with your kids, with your grandkids about these issues, about your hopes, your dreams, your goals, and you want to build that legal and financial team. There's no one-size-fits-all solution because we have to weigh capital gains taxes with property taxes, with estate taxes, and all those issues around it. We want to be thoughtful about protecting assets for future generations, and there's sometimes it is too much. Maybe you don't want to protect it all for your kids, but then maybe there's charitable goals, and how can we be creative about that? And of course, the Gilfix and the Bull team can bring it all together for you. We love to do that for families, and I'm a big believer increasingly that there should be communication between your legal and financial team, like your financial advisor, your legal advisor. You should have those advisors. And we are building some great partnerships with some select financial advisors. So if you're looking at building that team for yourself and you don't have an advisor, let us know. Or if you're looking for a new advisor, talk to us. We're building some really win-win structures for integrated legal and financial planning, sort of a family office approach. And if you love your financial advisor, we can work with them too. We love working with financial advisors and bringing them into the conversation so we can all be on the same page. Meet with us, we can take steps, and we should start planning right now. It's not just me, and it's not just Mike. We have Nick Klingenberg, Renee Conrad, Francis LaPaul, our tax guru. So we are an integrated team. We have litigators as well. We have a wonderful team, and we're actually looking to grow that team in the near future. Spread the word, subscribe to our Gilfix Law YouTube channel. We're over 60,000 views in just a few months. Not bad for a little law firm that does estate planning, not the most exciting subject for most families. And I think most importantly, if you do want to work with us, if you're an existing client, you want to come back and take a look, or if you haven't met with us, we do have limited availability. My calendar now gets booked out a couple weeks in advance, and Francis LaPole's does get booked up pretty far in advance. But we absolutely welcome the chance to work with you. We just need a little bit of advance warning, and we can set that meeting with you and explore these issues with us, with you, to make sure. So you can contact us at gilfix.com, 650-493-8070. I hope everybody's staying safe, sane, and healthy.